All right, let's check out our SchoolNet sites. Temperatures around the region right now are fairly mild. They're kind of holding up in downtown Amarillo. We got a little heat island effect going on here with temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. And that west wind is fairly light, but might be helping to keep temperatures up just a little bit. So 71 downtown at the studios here in Amarillo at KVII. Looks like about a 7 to 6 mile an hour wind out of the west-northwest. And temperatures around the region, mid to upper 60s in most locations here. We got 69 Paladuro High School, River Road Middle School at 68 degrees. A little bit cooler to the south, away from the city. 60 degrees at Midway, 60 degrees at Lakeview, West Texas A&M there at 63 degrees, and Canyon Junior High School at 61. We'll cool off a few more degrees here. Might need the light jackets heading out early this morning. And then we're going to be cooler later on today after a cold front moves on in right around the noon hour. So keep that in mind. We're not expecting anything appreciable in the way of rainfall with this cold front, unfortunately, but we are going to knock temperatures down a little bit. Stratford at 58 right now, Cactus at 60 degrees, Dumas at 61. It is 66 in Follett, 63 there in Spearman, 65 at Stinnett, and 66 in Borger. 70 degrees right now in Memphis, Clarendon at 69 degrees with the light west to southwest wind. And over to the southwest, 57 degrees at Freona, 63 at Farwell. And over at Olton, we've got 60 degrees. Now back to our SchoolNet site, way up in Guyman, because I want to keep an eye on this side, especially up there, any of our sites to the north, see when that front will actually get here. It'll hit the northern areas a little bit sooner. The central panhandle around, again, midday. 61 degrees right now up in Guyman, 42 dew point, and a very light north to northwest wind. We should see these winds pick up dramatically as that front pulls on through. Let's check out our regional satellite radar composite map, get you kind of centered in meteorologically here. Lots of fair skies around the region right now. Just a few high clouds drifting on through and more clouds down to the south. We actually got a pretty good thunderstorm there right off Galveston Bay. A special marine warning there for the northern Texas coast. But for us right here, fair skies, calm conditions. 61 right now at the airport, 56 in Dodge City, 53 in Denver. That cold front is right now starting to enter northern Kansas. And as we look to our computer model forecast, it'll be winging, zinging on through here pretty quickly. By noon, it should be right on our doorstep. About 84 degrees for our midday high. Northeast winds picking up 15 to 25 miles an hour behind this front as it gets on in. By later on this afternoon, cooling off into the mid and upper 70s, northeast winds calming down a little bit, 10 to 20 miles per hour, and a much more seasonal, more normal low temperature for early tomorrow morning, but pretty cool at 51 degrees, northeast to east winds at 5 to 15. So 84 for a high here today in Amarillo, cooler to the north, warmer to the south. As that front moves on in, we'll pick up a few clouds, but I think rain chances stay to our south and very limited. Northeast winds a little gusty at 15 to 25, but should calm down overnight. That overnight low temperature at 51 degrees, a few upper 40s up to our north, and lower to mid-50s down to the south. And for tomorrow, again, more seasonal with a high only of 76 degrees, keeping in mind normal is 79.